हेलो अगेन। कुछ ट्रेलर आया था केसरी चैप्टर 2 का। केसरी वाज फैंटास्टिक फिल्म, excellent film. I don't know why sequel for that film. I didn't even know that sequels was in work for that film for Kesari. Let's go.
जनरल डायर, आपने जलियांवाला बाग में भीड़ को हटाने के लिए वार्निंग कैसे दी?
आपने टीयर गैस फेंकी वहां?
नहीं।
डिड यू फायर शॉट्स इन द एयर?
नहीं।
तो आपने बिना वार्निंग दिए भीड़ पे गोलियां चला दी।
वो भीड़ नहीं थी, they were terrorists.
बट दे वर स्टिल ह्यूमंस।
उनके हाथ में हथियार थे।
8, 9, 11 महीने के बच्चे जिनके छातियों में गोलियां लगी थी, उनके हाथ में कौन से हथियार आपने देखे? उनके कड़े या फिर बंद मुट्ठी?
Oh, this is about Jallianwala Bagh.
इसके बाद आप चुप कैसे रह सकते हैं?
अंग्रेजों से कोई नहीं जीत सकता नायक।
Oh, beautiful. Long kill shot. Nice.
We are suing the crown for genocide.
क्राउन को बचाने का बस अब एक ही रास्ता है। थोड़ा सा सनकी है पर इज अ जीनियस। और सिर्फ बोलता नहीं है, दहाड़ता है।
Good luck, sir. Shankar Nayak.
Guitar.
An Indian lady lawyer.
Why are you surprised? Doesn't your England have queens?
1,650 innocents dead, but the real figure we may never know. वो लोग आतंकवादी थे. They wanted to burn Amritsar down. 5 बजे एक मिलिट्री प्लेन जलियांवाला बाग के ऊपर से गुजरता. क्यों?
मिस्टर नायर के पास ना कोई फोटोग्राफ है, ना ही कोई कन्फेशन है और ना ही कोई आई विटनेस। प्रूफ कहाँ है?
Nice costumes for Akshay Kumar.
मैं जलियांवाला बाग का सच पूरी दुनिया के सामने लाऊंगा।
Karan Singh Tyagi.
God damn it, you don't belong in here. Don't forget that you're still a slave of the British Empire.
The empire is shrinking.
Oh, nice, Ara. Good. Trailer was nice. I did not expect this from a movie that didn't wanted a sequel. So my belief is आप जितना भी सीक्वल्स करो, मगर जो सीक्वल्स आप बना रहे हो उससे you don't downgrade or insult the prequels. When this trailer was dropped, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि केसरी के लिए chapter 2 क्यों भाई. Let's see, two different storylines. Just the title remains has a sequel. Director has changed. Kesari director is Anurag Singh. And here this guy is Anurag. No. What is his name? Karan Singh Tyagi. So talking about Kesari, I loved Kesari from the first shot itself. The establishment shot where you saw the environment and two subjects talking about the plot of the cinema, the full what is that, full shot with deep focus and goes with a push in, the camera goes push in to the characters over there. And performance of Akshay Kumar was literally high in that Kesari, because his face was full of makeup, and not makeup, with that full beard thing, and his what do you call it? I don't want to pronounce it, tell it wrong for the Sikhs or the Punjabi people. That head thing, literally acted with his eyes in that film. Whenever he asked sorry in the beginning for his superior, and whenever he had anger, or whenever he wanted to fight, it was very whenever he was happy, his eyes evidently acted. And few scenes were also good, where where Akshay Kumar walking from the that building with his hat on, coat, full trench coat and all. What's nice that I liked it. Karan Singh, Tyagi sir, Akshay Kumar sir, Madhavan sir, and Dharma Productions. Thank you for this trailer, and thank you for the cinema.